Hello, my name is Franzen Derentius Wang, and today I will be presenting about the role of human-computer interaction in video electronic word of mouth to increase micro, small, medium enterprise sales on TikTok Shop. The rapid development of TikTok Shop as a social commerce platform has opened up significant new business opportunities, especially for micro, small, and medium enterprise in Indonesia. The platform's e-commerce market share in Southeast Asia was projected to grow substantially from 4.4% in 2022 to 13.2% in 2023. Within this ecosystem, video-based electronic word of mouth has become a critical digital marketing strategy. Research indicates that content quality and electronic word of mouth promotion have the most dominant influence in convincing consumers to make a repurchase intention on the TikTok Shop application. Despite the importance of digital marketing, many business actors, especially medium-small enterprise, still find it challenging to adopt technology, including social media and content creation. Previous research also suggests including additional variables that can influence purchasing decisions. This study fills that gap by introducing human-computer interaction as a variable to better understand its influence on purchasing decisions. Therefore, the study aims to analyze the strategy of utilizing effective video electronic word of mouth for micro, small, medium enterprise on TikTok Shop, with a focus on testing the effect of video electronic word of mouth on a purchasing decision with human-computer moderation, evaluating the interactive design of TikTok Shop for micro, small, medium enterprise, and designing an electronic word of mouth based business model that is that is by the principle of usability and user experience. Literature review. Electronic word of mouth is a positive or negative statement made by customers about a product or a company which is available to many people via the internet. On social commerce platforms like TikTok Shop, electronic word of mouth manifests not only as a text but also as a short video content and live streaming. Authenticity perception refers to consumers' belief that the content they see is genuine, not engineered, or reflects a real user's experience. This is supported by source credibility theory, which explains that user-generated content is often perceived as more authentic than professional advertisement. Emotional engagement describe how consumers are emotionally connected to video electronic word of mouth content, which is triggered by effective stimulation like entertaining videos. Lastly, human-computer interaction is a field that focuses on design of use computer technology, emphasizing the interaction between human-computer interaction. Methodology. The study used a quantitative approach, which is a survey method conducted through questionnaire to test the effect of video electronic word of mouth on purchasing decision. The population consists of TikTok Shop users in Indonesia who have seen video electronic word of mouth content. From this population, a sample of 2025 respondents were selected using a purposive sampling technique, with the criteria being aged from 17 to 45 years, actively using TikTok Shop, and having been influenced by video electronic word of mouth content. The variables were measured using a questionnaire with a 5 to 1 Likert scale. For data analysis, the study employed process model for to conduct the mediation and moderation analysis. Result and discussion. The table on the right side is the table of direct and indirect effect. The analysis revealed that electronic word of mouth has a strong, significant total effect on purchase intention, with a coefficient of 0.7215. Even when mediators are included, the direct effect of electronic word of mouth on purchase intention remains significant, with a coefficient of 0.2978. The study found that the influence of electronic word of mouth is indirectly transmitted through two key mechanisms. Emotional engagement proved to be the more dominant mediator, with a coefficient of 0.2872, meaning that the electronic word of mouth increased consumers' emotional involvement, which in turn drives purchase intention. Meanwhile, authenticity perception has a smaller indirect effect, with a coefficient of 0.1364, indicating its role as a mediator is not as strong as that of emotional engagement. The table on the right side is the table of moderation analysis. A key finding from the moderation analysis was that human-computer interaction did not act as a significant moderator in the relationship between electronic word of mouth and purchase intention. Further analysis also revealed that human-computer interaction did not significantly moderate the relationship between either authenticity perception or emotional engagement on purchase intention. These findings strengthen the conclusion that the effectiveness of electronic word of mouth on TikTok Shop is more determined by the psychological characteristic of the content itself, such as its authenticity and emotional appeal, rather than the interactive design of the platform. Conclusion. This analysis revealed that electronic word of mouth videos on TikTok Shop significantly influence purchase intention, both directly and indirectly. The indirect effect of electronic word of mouth is primarily channeled by increasing emotional engagement, which is stronger mediator than authenticity perception. An interesting finding is that the platform interactive features or human-computer interaction do not significantly moderate the electronic word of mouth purchase intention relationship. This indicates that the quality and psychological resonance of the electronic word of mouth content itself are more important in driving consumers' behavior than the platform's technical features. Implication and recommendation for medium small enterprise is the study suggests three main strategies. 1. Prioritizing the creation of electronic word of mouth content that can generate positive emotion, and maintaining the authenticity of content by using spontaneous user generated content, and optimizing platform features rather than solely relying on them. For future research, it is recommended to expand the sample across the countries and culture, integrate qualitative data to support interviews to complement quantitative findings, and involve actual behavior like data tracking duration to provide stronger validation. Thank you for the attention. I hope this presentation has provided a valuable insight and see you in the next video.